So you hop into your ride, and then you notice your phone's dead, and you tried charging it in your car but it's taking too long? We will fix that. A little backstory, I installed an aftermarket stereo to this car. It did came with wired Apple CarPlay, but it charges my phone so slow that sometimes it will take maybe 20 minutes to add 2 to 3% on the phone's battery. So in order to fix our problem, I ordered a cigarette lighter charging port online. I will leave the link on the description below. So this has dual ports. The USB end is for your stereo port, which acts as a pass-through. And then these two terminals is to power our fast charger, which is the Type-C port in front. It has two locks to be secured. And it has two adapters, so you can use a single charger cable, either a USB or a Type-C. You can install it like on a Scion XB, or a Corolla Cross, or any other car as long as it has a cigarette lighter port. But today, we will be focusing on a Chrysler 300. Let's pull the stereo so we can have access. And then pull out the bottom tray. And then unplug the cigarette lighter connector. And then for my case, I need to unplug the USB port from the stereo because it will get stuck from the bottom tray. Let's get to work. Remove the USB cable from the bottom tray. Now we need to remove the lighter port. In order to remove the cigarette lighter port, we need to push these two little tabs holding it. Push it and it will pop right off. Also remove the adapter and cover and put those on the side. Now let's install the new charger port we bought. Let's install the first lock. I know it's not that snug, but once we tighten the lock all the way, it's not gonna move anymore. Install the second lock. Tighten the second lock and make sure the port is properly aligned. So because it's a universal charger port, we need to open and convert the original cigarette lighter connector to bigger terminals so we can power the fast charger. Let's now disassemble the original connector. Remove the yellow protective cover. And then lift up the tab that holds down the terminal. Then pull out both positive and negative terminals. Now we need to splice or remove the old terminal and replace it with this bigger one. After replacing the terminals, double check where will you plug the terminals. The charger port has a positive and negative signs on the back, so make sure to plug it correctly. I will be plugging back my USB cable port to the back of the stereo. Plug your USB connector from the stereo to the connector of the charger we just installed. This will act as a pass-through. And then tidy things up. Reinstall the bottom tray and push in the wires. Reinstall the stereo. Let's now try the USB port pass-through, the one port on the bottom. And it works! And the top port, which is the fast charger. Perfect. It actually came with two adapters. The first one is to make them both Type-C ports. And the other one to make them both USB ports. so it's up to you whatever cable you wanna use. You can now charge two devices at the same time. What do you guys think about this product? Let's hear it in the comment section. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more car DIYs. Thanks for watching.